India and Afghanistan allies to reach. Let's look upon what and how the relations has been so far. Despite not sharing an official boundary, Afghanistan is a very important neighbor to India. Just after the exit of Taliban from the power in 2001, India and Afghanistan laid down the foundation for the next generation partnership between both the countries. It also provides India access to the Middle Eastern countries, and both the countries were under British rule till 1940s, which makes the bond between both the countries even more greater. Now let's look upon how India has helped Afghanistan till date in its development. India has helped Afghanistan in its development crucially, despite being struck by Cold War politics and terrorism in history. India has provided an aid of 1 billion in 2016, which still providing benefits to Afghanistan. In fact, the trade between both the countries has almost doubled in the last decade, approximately 680 million. In most of the development projects across Afghanistan, they are completely backed up by India, be it financial aid or the security. From power projects to mines, more than 400 miles of roads, the Great Parliament building in Afghanistan, and obviously India and Afghanistan Friendship Dam for hydroelectricity. Even after the blockage of route for trade by Pakistan, India has developed Chabahar port in Iran, which further ensures the trade between Afghanistan and India, hence strengthening the ties further. India has also provided not only shelter to the refugees, but training to its manpower and study avenues for its students also, in order to ensure the people-to-people connect between both the countries. Now let's look what are the challenges for India from security point of view. With the removal of United States soldiers from Afghanistan, there is a strong void that has been created in Afghanistan in order to ensure its security. Also, the security of the projects of India and Afghanistan, which are the symbol of cooperation between both the countries, also are suspected to be affected by the Taliban. With the growing regional instability in the South Asian region, the role of Afghanistan for India becomes even more crucial, especially when there is a condition with China and Pakistan going on right now. There has been a constant global pressure on India. You must not forget, constant global pressure to send its troops in Afghanistan to ensure peace and stability. But can India do that? That's for pondering. And there's also a question whether India would like to create a violent situation in a country where it has gained popularity because of its developmental project. Well, this question remains to be asked. Now let's look upon what could be the way ahead for both the countries for mutual cooperation and grow together. Well, for the regional stability, it is very necessary that Afghanistan becomes a peaceful country, especially when we as a country are surrounded by neighbors such as China and Pakistan. Secondly, to ensure this, talks with the countries like Russia and America needs to be done with utmost urgency. Thirdly, sending the soldiers could be an option, provided United Nations takes up the charge and takes up the initiative to start a peacekeeping mission through which India could send its troops in that foreign country. Fourthly, to isolate Pakistan, the focus has been mainly on southeastern groupings, leaving a grouping like SAARC aside, which has led to the shift in the focus of India on Afghanistan, leaving Afghanistan under shadow. So diplomatically, the ties needs to be worked upon with utmost urgency. And last but not the least, India could also act as an arbitrator between the Taliban and the current government in Afghanistan, hence ensuring the peace and stability in the country. After all, we cannot choose the neighbors, but we do choose to grow together. Many more to come. Keep visiting this channel and a lot to come in future. Thank you.